Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Richard, and in this video I'm going to show you about the autopilot function called heading, HDG. So as you can see right here, HDG is on, the autopilot is on, the odometer's on, and I'm holding an altitude of 4,500 feet. Tell you what, let's get a little closer so everybody can see that better. Airspeed's 173 and doing just fine there. Okay, so I want to change headings. I just took off from the Greenville-Spartanburg Airport on runway heading still of 219, but I want to turn to the VOR to a course of 020. So the 020 is dialed in here, and I'm going to use the heading bug right there. I'm going to turn it to 020. There we go. And we're going to turn as we do. So you can see a couple of things here. I can wind it all the way around until it gets to 020. Now the heading bug and the course arrow are lined up. But note that the turn angle is not quite 30 degrees, which is okay. Depending upon where you're turning and what you're turning, the autopilot will decide how much degrees of bank you should get. Sometimes it'll, in localizer mode, it'll only turn 15. Here it's turning almost 30, but not quite 30. So you can see that I want to turn to 020, but the center of the course arrow is still too far out. So I'm going to stop this turn and start turning back to 060. We'll see if that works. Okay, we're 27 miles out. That'll probably work. That's a 40-degree angle. If we want to get it even faster, we turn back here. But the purpose here is not to actually intercept the course. I just want you to practice turning to something meaningful. Okay, so I'm turning to 090, and note that the heading, the bug says 090, and it takes a while for this to get there. Okay, so what I'll do next is, that's not turning fast enough for me, so I'm going to make another heading change to 110, which is like 90 degrees to that course. And then we'll probably watch it move. So all in all, you're going to be using heading changes quite often when you're navigating, and you need to feel comfortable about how it works and what it does. So now I'll just turn back to 020. Okay, so we'll never get to that course. However, what we can do is, okay, we'll find out what course we are on here. And so there's the course we're on, 040. I'll make a heading change back to 040. Okay, I'm not going anywhere special other than back to the VOR. And so you've seen me play around with the VOR, but more importantly, you've seen how the heading bug does change. I'll do one more change for you. Suppose I want to just change 20 degrees. So I'm at 040. I want to go back to 020. Okay, so there's 020. Notice it comes over quickly because you're turning at 30 degrees. And then as you get closer, it changes the bank angle to something really small. We're at about a 2 or 3 degree bank angle to get to the very last heading that we want. So the autopilot is fairly smart about doing that. Okay, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.